You want a real picture?
Oh, what's this? A lid holder kit?
Chris bought a welder to create this bracket.
So this is version 1.
Ever seen a tinny like this? It's really hard to find in the US because they don't make them here. This is a legit import from Australia, I think, possibly, or the UK, one of the two. Chris is one of the Tiny Boat Nation's oldest patrons and subscribers. Built a very nice, capable 14-footer, and then eventually he upgraded and came and collaborated with us to build this thing, which is pretty serious. I would say arguably the best V-hull mod in the country. But ever since that meetup in Tennessee where we finally got to meet each other and see each other's rigs, he saw my yak killer and wanted one. Apparently this boat, as awesome as it wasn't enough. He needs more. So he set off and actually ordered a yak killer sized boat and now wants to convert it. So here we are again at Nate's shop. Drug it all completely autonomous from a trailer inside the back of his boat. Made his own motorized dolly, which we'll get to see in action later as he tows it all the way down to the shop pond. I believe this boat is only 10 feet long, but it's fairly wide for what it is, and is able to take a full kit of Nate's dry hatches and the tube frame pretty seamlessly. And then the last, the hydro turf. But he could have chose any color. He could have got a redo. He chose that yellow, and you either love or hate that yellow. Apparently he really likes it. What we can attest to officially with this form of hydro turf, regardless of color, is its extreme durability. It's not like the fancy stuff where you put something on it too long, it dents in, it's easily damaged. This stuff is very robust. Like if you're going to be a fairly dirty fisherman, you got fish guts, blood all over the deck. You got tools, you got stuff, you got things that would poke holes in like delicate foam. This foam is not delicate. It's pretty robust. The only thing with the brighter colors like this, like the blue, the red, the yellow, and the green, is that, well, they will show more dirt, but it's fairly easy to clean. It'll pressure wash out, it'll scrub out with just standard Dawn soap. It's all right. Chris is very capable and could have done this entire thing himself, but he wanted to supercharge this thing. And with everybody in on it, we got this whole thing wired and rigged and done in a day and ready to go on the water now. So there are things you have to compromise when you have a boat this small. One of those is maybe a little stability. I think he's a little shocked at how roll heavy it was at the first, but he got over it. Because the one thing this boat will do is it will fit right in the back of that truck. In a standard bed, it'll go up on the winch and it will tote itself all the way on that motorized dolly to the water. And he can just do whatever he wants at will without any sort of problems with the boat trailer. Convenience is a big deal. By the way, we do sell boats and we do sell trailers. And yes, we will kit one of these out for you if that's what you want. I get a lot of questions about that. The answer is yes, and they're here, only limited stock, so hit us up, TB Nation Midwest. The description has our contact information for both stores. Check us out, guys. Tight lines. Peace.